I'm going to talk about the contribution of chemistry into medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine, both as a diagnostic and treatment tool. We can see chemistry in hospitals, like the medical labs where they analyze urine. The contribution of the chemistry industry has been essential in many fields, but especially in the medicine. The analgesic or painkillers were introduced by chemistry too. Otherwise, chemistry has improved technology that involves the medical technology. Doctors use special machines as X-ray machines, cardiograph. Chemistry also began to play an important role in the 18th and 19th centuries to diagnose diabetes, anemia, diphtheria, and syphilis. My personal reflection is that chemistry has always played an important role in our society. And we must be thankful to all the people, all the scientists that helped to make all those improvements and new technologies possible.
Applications of chemistry in food. Our food is made up of chemicals like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Taste, textures, and appearance can be altered by the addition or substitution of chemical food compounds. Applications: chemistry. Food scientists work with the chemistry of ingredients in food to improve the quality and stability of the food. They study the use of chemical flavors, thickening agents, stabilizers, and preservatives, and apply their knowledge to improve existing food products to develop new ones. Process of chemistry. Once a food product has been developed, process chemistry is used to determine the best way to manufacture the food. Food science is mostly food chemistry. Analytical chemistry is used to determine the properties of food components and determine how they interact. Applications chemistry is used to develop new ingredients and to improve the existing ones. And process chemistry is used to determine the best way to procedure for manufactured products.
Talk about chemistry and warfare. In fact, there's an area in warfare named chemical warfare, and it involves using toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. Many nations possess vast stockpiles of weaponized agents in preparation for wartime use. The threat and the perceived threat have become strategic tools in planning both measures and countermeasures. It began during World War I, and they are still producing and finding more agents. A toxic gas or poison can be used to make weapons that could kill or harm a human being. That's chemical warfare, using chemicals and chemistry to make new weapons. My reflection or conclusion would be that it's wrong to do something like that because chemistry and the science in general is supposed to help society with their problems, not destroy it. So, in my opinion, chemical warfare is wrong and a waste of time.
Surface temperature of the Arctic is going up, which results in shortened ice formation season. It will take persistent cold spell for multi-year sea and other ice types to sink enough in the winter to survive the summer melt season and reverse the trend. The global warming in Mexico. The consequences will vary in the temperature is increased 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, will depend on the efficiency of the measure established to reduce emissions of greenhouse gases amounts. According to this parameter, in Latin America is expected to reduce water 20 to 30% An ecosystem also loses between 20 and 30% of its machine species. In the specific case of Mexico, is expected to increase from 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, and the north of the country will present the greatest impact. Also, the rain will fall 5% in the Midwest. The natural sea temperatures, Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, and Pacific will rise from the 1 of 2 degrees Celsius, which will produce more intense cyclones. It also provides greater rainfall and long periods of drought, to which by 2020 will reduce the total acres of a cornfield, reports of three national communications of Mexico. These are the three best options to reduce the problem. Number one, avoid the excessive consumption of energy for both heating and cooling the house. Unplug appliances that are not in use. Number two, prefer products packaged in glass rather than plastic. Avoid food if possible steamed in styrofoam. Try to styrofoam to discourage the production of these materials. As for paper bags as a supermarket. Um, 3. Walk more, ride more bikes for longer distance. Try to use public transport whenever it's possible. Make a collective with neighborhoods or friends to go to work or take the kids to school.
Chemistry has an important role in our life because we use chemistry in all day life and
Chemistry helps to solve the societal problems and to make new inventions and all that. So chemistry is a good thing.
it's really important.
Yeah, it's very important because in our daily life it can be used in any way.
Thank you.
Hip, hip.